Welcome back to the channel. So I did a live stream on showing off Amazon's cheapest water block. It actually looks pretty cool. Basically looks like it has an Intel NUC skull on it, or an old Intel skull logo that they had way back in the day. They also put it on the NUC, but it looks pretty cool. It's only $20 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check it out. But I wanted to put it through its ringer. And what I wanted to do was test it on a 13900K. And this is versus a $400 monoblock. So first thing we're going to show is the monoblock. Okay, so we're right here, stock settings. This is on the custom EK model block for my Z690 Aorus Master. So it cools the VRMs and it cools the CPU. It works pretty good. I've had it for about 3 years now, and I've been very happy about it. Just recently cleaned it as well. So this test is actually pretty good for this. So it shifted the picture over on this test. So my apologies on that. Again, this is a 13900K with an EK monoblock. The monoblock is for a Z690 Aorus Master. I've had it for about 3 years. Has been really good for me. And I just recently cleaned it as well. So the test is really good for this. But we don't care about that. We care about the temperatures. So let's go fast forward to the temperatures. All right. So here are the temperatures. 69 degrees at the end of the run. Nice. And the system has been running for a little bit, so the temperatures have equalized. But this is the temperature that I get on stock settings with 13900K with this model block. Very good. E-cores are very good temperature as well. I think the max is about 49 degrees Celsius on the E-cores. And on the P-cores, we are hitting about 69 degrees Celsius. Again, nice. So now I'm showing off the Amazon's cheapest CPU block. It looks pretty good. Don't mind the PC. Again, there's no EK model block on it, so I have to cool the VRMs with this fan, and to the right that you see is a RAM cooler. But there it is. There's it installed. Here it is on Windows for the 13900K. We're going to open up Steam and we're going to load up the same benchmark and see how it does. So it again shifted the picture over for some reason. I don't know why it did that to me. I am recording on OBS, and I did not a window capture, but I did an actual display capture. So I'm not even sure why it shifted everything over. Again, this is the frames that you see there, and it does really good in this testing as well. Again, same frames. I do averaging around 600 frames per second on a 13900K and the 3070 Ti. So let's go and fast forward and check out the actual temperatures. All right, so the run just finished. Let's check out these temperatures. 68 degrees Celsius. On the one P core, it did hit 71 degrees Celsius. The E cores were right around the 46, 47. Max E core looks like 49 degrees. It's saying 51 degrees Celsius on the E cores. But all in all, that's pretty good in my opinion. It's right around the EK monoblock. Again, the EK monoblock is about a $400 monoblock on Amazon right now. Right around $350. You can find it on sale. This CPU block, the Amazon's cheapest block that I could find here in Canada, is $20. So in my opinion, that is pretty good. Pretty good indeed. Next, I'm going to be showing off some benchmarks. So 7-zip and Cinebench. So here we go. We got Benchmade opened up. We got hardware monitor showing up, so that way we can see the temperatures. And here's a 7-zip run going on. So how is it fare so far? We're seeing around 75, 76. It's pretty good. This test is CPU and RAM oriented. So the temperatures are fairly rough in my opinion. It's not the roughest test. It's not like a Y cruncher. I did not show a Y cruncher in this test. So if you want, leave me a comment in the comment section below on other games that you'd like me to test out and or benchmarks, and I'll run this Amazon's cheapest CPU water block on those either benchmarks or games. But all in all, this seems really good. It's hitting about 80. I think it does hit about 82 degrees Celsius after this run. It's really good. It's really good. Again, this is right after I just ran the CS2 benchmark as well. Like this has not been a fresh run on a cool radiator. This is so yeah, this is not a like fresh setup. This is literally, I've ran multiple different tests on this, and this is the temperature that we're seeing after a 7-zip. We're hitting about 82 degrees Celsius on the package. P-Core 7 hitting 82 degrees Celsius. E-cores are hitting about 67 degrees Celsius on the max, and right around 61 to 63 degrees Celsius around the other E-cores. All the cores vary in actual temperature. Let's do a Cinebench R23 run. It's very, very quick, but it's a more or less a CPU oriented test. And I'm very surprised that we're actually hitting 76 degrees, 80 degrees Celsius during this run on the P cores. E cores are right around 66, 68 degrees Celsius during this run. And the P cores are around 78 to 77 degrees, up to about 80 degrees Celsius on this run. Well within the spec of this CPU too. So as a $20 CPU block, that is absolutely amazing in my opinion. I can't believe it. I really can't believe it. The voltage, well, the vid max and that are about the same. So everything's about the same. It's using about the same wattage during this run too, hitting at about the same score as I would normally hit on a stock 1300K with the EK monoblock. Absolutely insane. The thermal paste I'm using is MX4 by Arctic. So Arctic MX4. Again, thank you donators for that. It has been coming in handy when doing all this benchmarking and testing. Again, I'm running the test again right after I just ran it. Again, it's a very quick test, right around the same kind of score. Temperature never raised. It's absolutely insane how good this $20 CPU block for a custom water loop is on a 13900K. Again, 24 core, 32 thread CPU. Absolutely insane. I am happy about the results. Like I actually am mind blown about the results. I will be using this on the upcoming competition for Hyperless Havoc. If you don't know about it, it's on hardwarebot.org. If you want to check it out, hwbot.org. And the new competition is Hyperless Havoc. That is the latest competition, and we'll be starting in about 10 hours. So stick around for that because I will be doing that competition as well. That's it for this video. Let me know your comments on what you think about this Amazon's cheapest CPU Waterblock. Like it's absolutely insane in my opinion. No lapping done whatsoever on it yet, so I haven't lapped it to copper yet. It still has the nickel plating on it as well. If you'd like me to do a review on it, I could do a review on it and show exactly what you get from Amazon, exactly all the hardware you get with it. Right now, I'm just using the CPU block with the back plate that's actually used for the EK monoblock. It just works. So I'm happy about it. Again, leave me a comment in the comment section below on your thoughts on it. If you use an Amazon's cheap water block, how much is it? Have you paired it up with a 24 core CPU monster like a 13900K or 14900K? These are around the same wattage and about the same kind of power consistency on that as well. That's it for this video. Again, thank you to all my viewers, subscribers, and donators. We're getting bigger and bigger every day. If you have not checked out the Discord link, check out the Discord link. If you have not checked out the Patreon page, definitely look at the Patreon page as well. And to help out this channel, I do have donations for PayPal. So if you'd like to help out this channel, get some more hardware and or other kind of CPU blocks to test out, it does help out this channel a lot as well. So again, thank you to all my viewers and subscribers and donators. As always, don't forget to get her done.